Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
We, the second year students, have hosted a cultural night as a part of our curriculum, and this year's theme is Indo-Portuguese. So it plays a prominent role in the Goan culture. So today we are showcasing different types of entertainment. We have dances, we have singers singing in Portuguese, singing in English as well. The main focus is on our food because the food plays a major role. So the Portuguese had ruled over Goa, and today we have been left with parts of the Portuguese culture also. And we are repeating the tradition, or we are repeating the history. So our menu is Portuguese with a twist of it is Goan with a twist of Portuguese also. So we have Portuguese dishes as well as Goan dishes.
I think it's a standout event that this team has put together. This is the first of its kind, and this is the first time I think the leadership of hospitality in Goa has been hosted by the Hotel Management College. And it's not only that, the level of hosting has been incredible. What stands out is the effort, the time, and the level of finesse in the curation of this whole event. I've never seen in my entire journey in SCOL that the food, the entertainment, and the dancing and the beverages being put together by the team of the hotel. So let's hear it for the entire team.